All right, guys, we're going to Kohl's. Let's go. All right, guys, we are in Kohl's, and I'm gonna be very optimistic. However, you guys know I love a budget. I love staying on a budget. I love getting as much as I can for my money. But I wanted to give Kohl's a chance, and there are some ways. I did kind of find some ways to maybe perhaps shop on a budget at Kohl's, but I mean, I know some people do that whole thing with the Kohl's bucks and everything, so I'm gonna kind of try to help you guys out a little bit. So we're going straight to the home decor section, and one of the first things I see are some mats for our front door. Pay attention to the signs, guys, with the can't even get the words out. That gives you a discount. So those particular mats were $17.49. Like this sign, it says it's 50% off. I say stick to things like that because the prices are a little outrageous in Kohl's, and I don't even understand why. Somebody please tell me in the comments below exactly why Kohl's is priced so high. Is it because of the quality of the things that they have? Is it because, because when I go into Kohl's, I don't see a lot of people there. Now, I used to, like on the weekends I would, but I haven't seen much. So here we go. These are some sheer curtains, 2-pack. And it depends on what the original price is, and then you get 30% off. So it looks like on this particular day, as far as home decor was concerned, the curtains were the way to go. Panels, you get 2 panels in each package. You had some that were 50% off. You had some that were 30% off. These here were, and I was looking at black because this is something I'm thinking about putting in my living room. But these are 50% off. So they're normally $70. You get 35 or 120. You get them for $59.99. So, yeah, I don't know. And so there we go again, with the sales prices and things of that nature. Some of their things were really nice and cute. Like you got that pillow for $39.99, right? So let's see what our price would be. $29.99. I'm not sure I'm quite willing to pay $30 for a small pillow like that. And I hate to be a Debbie Downer, and I know some of you guys are probably going to comment like, oh my God, Karen, where's your positivity? I don't know. Kohl's took it away. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry because I'm usually on the positive side. Okay, Yankee Candles, pretty good price. We all know Yankee Candles is a very great brand that you're going to get, your money, get a lot of product for your money. So, and they look like they had a lot of candles. I was just kind of having, like, look at the decor. It's kind of, not up to date, I would say. So I was really, really trying, guys, to find really good things. So I decided, okay, let me go over here to the, more seasonal stuff. I was looking at like things for the falls, and again there was 50% off. And I don't know if they're going through a transition of getting this old stuff out, and that's why you see the sales, and then they'll get the new things in. But I don't know. It was dated. A lot of the stuff was dated to me, guys. I don't know. I hate making videos like this. I almost didn't even make the video, but I wanted you guys to see because we did talk about Kohl's. And there were a couple of you that said that Kohl's is expensive in your area. And I have bought things from Kohl's, but I'm going to tell you what I think I've done. I have not ever really bought any home decor. Hey guys, I've never really bought any home decor, I don't think, in Kohl's. Like this mirror was $170. No, $160, I'm sorry, excuse me. $160. I've seen mirrors like that at Walmart, for I think about, I don't know, 60, 70, 80 bucks, something like that. I think what I concentrated on more was the clearance rack in the clothing department. So, and that's where I would find a lot of bargains. Um, I don't know. I wasn't that excited going in when I finally saw some of the things. Like some of these fall pillows are kind of cute, but they didn't excite me. It's just like kind of like, okay, we got a bunch of stuff, we're just gonna throw it. So I decided, let me go down the clearance aisle. You can never go wrong down the clearance aisle. I don't know, guys. So you got this little gold house thing there, and it was like $4.50. It was really nothing to it. Then you had a pack of margarita glasses, you know, for the summer times, like $13.99 for 4. Then you had this scent kit for $8, which wasn't too bad. It had like a spray and some oils in it. So and I thought that was kind of cute, you know, a frame for $5. Not too bad. It was in great condition. I'm just trying to let you know that I think not all Kohl's maybe are created equal. I was thinking about getting this platter maybe for my kitchen or my bedroom or something, and then I didn't show the price of it. I think if I can remember, I think it was like $12 or something like that. Something ridiculous like that. I don't know. I just feel like when things are in the clearance area, it needs to reflect that it's been in the clearance area, because they just have things kind of just thrown here, like they really don't care if you buy it or not. So then I looked at this clock, and it was, I think, $35, something like that, on clearance, which is not bad. It was a nice size clock. So that was, I can't remember. I think it was $31 just for, y'all, the prices were ridiculous. Can I just say that? Sorry. I love to bring you guys stuff on a budget, and this just wasn't it. Kohl's was just not hitting on too much of anything. Yeah, nothing that made me happy. It didn't make my soul happy, and that's probably why I'm not even really showing you guys the prices. This was a cute little hello sign that I could have went on my desk, and I think it was around, I don't know, I think $6 or $7, which wasn't bad. But did I really? Oh no, I lied. $11. Like, do you see what I'm saying? I know if we was to go in the home, that little cup was $5.99. You know, a little game for $7.50. I don't know. I don't know who's marking this stuff down, but they're not marking it down very well. You know, I'm looking at this wreath. I'm like, oh, maybe I'll get this wreath for next, you know, spring or something like that. It would be really cute. And then it was $24, y'all, in the clearance area. That thing was regularly $80. I can't. I am trying. And then I'm looking at these pillows. You know, that one was kind of cute. I really like, you know, that the color scheme, and you know, the black and gray and white one or whatever. That was kind of nice. Then there were comforters. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Budget wise, if you really, I mean, unless you got a lot of money that you're really trying to spend, you know, get off your hands, which I don't know too many people. Now that little basket was kind of cute for $17. It was made very well. I would not recommend Kohl's. I hate saying that. God, I hate saying that, because I recommend Kohl's on clothes, not on home decor. I don't know of anything that I would actually go back in and purchase at Kohl's, unless I see that there are some really good prices, and that, you know, I know they give you Kohl's cash when you spend money. They need to give you something, because the prices were kind of crazy. And then potpourri. Didn't know potpourri was still a thing, but we got potpourri on sale for $10.40. And I don't know. That was a cute pillow. Now I like that pillow. It looks like it was an outdoor pillow. So, having said that, Kohl's has some nice things. But look, y'all, that pillow was on sale for $30. I'm up here scratching my head just thinking about it. They have some nice things. You just have to be willing to spend a good grip on your home decor from Kohl's. Like I said, I concentrate mostly when I used to go in there. It was back to school clothes for my kids, maybe a nice outfit if I was going out with the girls. They always had a large clearance section for clothing. Now this was a surprise. Now this is a positive note. I did not know that they carried so many different types of appliances in Kohl's, okay? It looks like they had a lot of Food Network brands. So I decided to go ahead and give you guys some bonus footage and went to Family Thrift to try to find some things. Yeah, I wanted to make sure, to try to give y'all something because it just didn't look like I was doing too good at Kohl's. So I said, let me go to a thrift store and give them some other things. And I saw these vases here. They were like $5 each. And I was going to maybe purchase those and then maybe do a DIY on them. And then I decided against it at the last minute. So I decided to just kind of go through this thrift store. And I've stayed away from this thrift store for quite a while. And after kind of going through the home decor area, I see why. Even after going through some of the clothing area, I see why I stayed away. Some of their things, they don't have very much, but the stuff that they do have, they price it very high. Especially in the home decor area. Even in the clothing, I have an occasion that I need to get an outfit for. And so I decided to maybe, look over in their area, and they had dresses and things like that. Y'all, the dresses were like $13, $14, $15, and I'm just like, what, but I saw that little glass vase right there, and I thought that was kind of cute. I should have picked that up. I guess I had my mind on other things, so I tried to shake off Kohl's, and then I looked and I saw this floor lamp from Kirkland's for $25, and I'm like, oh, come on with the prices. I just felt like, they'll let me know, like, don't be shy on telling me things. But am I looking for, like the bargains that I'm looking for? Am I asking too much? I don't know. I mean, if it's used or whatever, and then I saw this, I think it was only $10 for this, and I could have, maybe have used it, but I'm not just trying to buy things just to buy things just because they're, inexpensive. I'm actually looking for certain decor that I know that I can actually use in the house. I was looking at that lamp, but I actually have, I think, enough lamps. I do need lamps, I believe, for the game room, the loft area. I haven't found lamps for that yet. I do have, then I was looking at, I was like, can I do something with these? I didn't even know what they were. I thought they were just plates that I think they were for like a waffle iron or something or another. But yeah, I was thinking about, I got lamps for every room so far. I think I'm missing like maybe for my room, for my office, I'm sorry, and then for the loft area, like I said. But I'm been pretty lucky so far in the lamp department. So I'm over here in the pillows because you guys know, if you saw my last haul video, I think it was, I showed you that I got some pillow covers for my birthday, and I needed one more rectangle style pillow to fill it. And so I thought I would come over here and see what they had. But y'all, look at the prices. $5.45 for a pillow. And I'm like, I don't know, $5 for a pillow. I just need the insert. I don't need much else, you know what I'm saying? So I did end up finding one, but I just felt like some of the prices were just a little steep for a thrift store. And now I actually do see why I have stayed away from this store. And to be honest with you, I don't think I'm going to visit it again. And it's not, y'all, please just bear with me, because I know y'all probably like, oh my God, girl. Yes, I know. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be so pessimistic, because normally I'm not. But I am honest, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Look at that. Look at that pillow. That pillow should not be $5.45. That should be $1.50. That thing is old. But I want, and that's the pillow that I ended up getting for like $3. But I just want to be honest with you guys, because if you're in the Houston area, now as far as Family Thrift, they have an outlet. Baby, go there anytime, all the time. They have really good things there. As far as clothes, I don't know if I've ever found a Family Thrift outlet that had like decor and stuff in it for an inexpensive price, but I know I go to their outlets for their clothes, and they have like certain prices every day, different prices every day. So yeah, I would highly recommend, you know, going for that. But I didn't find much. Like I said, I did find one outfit. It was a black jumpsuit that I needed for an occasion that's coming up, and it was like $13. So I ended up spending about 16, 17 bucks when I came up out of this thrift store, and I bought 2 items. I will probably, of course, always try to bring you guys some Goodwill, shop with me as well. But I want to thank you guys for tuning in, giving this video a chance. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, guys, give me thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I do put up a video. Like I said, you'll be getting about 2 to 3 videos from me a week. I hope it's something that you guys are looking forward to. I'm looking forward to getting these videos out to you as soon as I can, but I am keeping myself on a schedule, and like I said, 2 to 3 videos a week. So thank you again for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay guys, thank you again. Bye.